Let's take a look at the Admin dashboard found under the Home tab, and also briefly explore the Staff dashboard. First, log in to your PetSitter Plus dashboard. Top tip: the Learning Zone is preset as your landing page when you first get your software and provides an easy access to all our tutorial videos to use while you are learning the software. Once you are up and running, you can switch your landing page to the Admin dashboard if you prefer. The Admin dashboard provides highlights of your daily schedule and quick links to keys required so you can carry out today's work. PetSitter Plus supports a comprehensive key management solution, and on this page you can view the keys that each staff needs to complete their services and assign them. View service requests that are created when clients book services via their portal. Here you can review service requests that are waiting to be processed and added to your schedule. Investigate any uncommitted credit or debit notes that need your attention. Credit and debit notes are sometimes created when clients cancel services that have already been invoiced. View your schedule for today and choose the schedule view that works best for you. Review your staff activity report, which shows you how each of your team is progressing against their schedule for the day, and this highlights if anyone is falling behind or needs extra help. See recent client activity from the portal. This section alerts you to key updates that your clients make in the portal, which helps you to stay on top of any last-minute changes and maintain great customer service. Under the Home tab, you can also find communications from us at PetSitter Plus. A red notification will display to highlight any new messages. Periodically, we announce new releases when we update your software and inform you of planned new features coming soon. Top tip: if you think a feature needs improvement or is missing from our software, please reach out to us at support to recommend it. You can also read important business announcements and messages from us. Now, let's take a look at the Staff dashboard. If you also work out in the field, you will need to go to My Staff dashboard to see your services for today. Top tip: your staff will see the Staff dashboard as standard when they log in, unless they have admin privileges, in which case they will need to click My Staff dashboard from the menu. As we tend to be on our mobiles when out and about, we're going to take a look at this from the mobile view. On the Staff dashboard, you'll see all the work assigned to you for the day, displayed in time order. When you're ready to start work, you can acknowledge all services. This helps staff let you know that they have seen their schedule for today and have started work. Then simply tap on your first service to get started. You can check into a service, which records the time you started and your location. See the client location. View the keys list in case you need to know who has the keys. Send a service report to let clients know how their pets enjoyed the visit and any special care provided. Or view the client account for more details. When you're finished, tap Checkout to end your service. It will automatically be marked as completed. Important: your staff may not see check in and out or have access to client information if their permissions are not set up correctly. And that's it! You've found your way around the Learning Zone, the home screen, and dashboards. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.